Cease and desist? Well, that's one option. Provoke and aggravate is another. I'll choose option 2. Stick around and we'll get right to it. So it seems that my old buddy Mike is a little bit perturbed about being called out in a public manner. So much so that he has sent me this goofy cease and desist letter. And honestly, I think he could have gotten a better argument out of my cousin Vinny than whoever he paid to draft this garbage up. Now, I'm not going to subject you guys to the entire piece of trash that I have in front of me, but I do want to point out a couple of little details in here. Defamation. Your website contains false and misleading. Well, the only thing that might be slightly misleading on that website is any use of the word helpful before linking to Mike's channel. And then there's this nonsense in here about harassment. Well, Mike, you haven't even begun to see harassment. And that's where all of my viewers come in. Because there's one thing that a bunch of you guys might not know, and that's Mike is really a closet APRS user. Don't believe me? Well, I'm going to prove it to you here in just a second. I'm going to show you a really cool tool that we can use in APRS, and I'm going to show you how to catch Mike on the air and send him an APRS message. So what we're going to use is the Find bot on APRS, and it's super easy. All you've got to do is send a message to Find and then put in whosever call sign you want to look up. Now, one word about this, it is SSID specific. So if we look for K8MRD-9, we're going to get a different answer than doing K8MRD-7. So let's go ahead and send this message to Find, and we'll look for his -9 SSID. And let's see what we can come up with here. We should get a response from the service in just a second. There it is, and he was last seen 2 days, 21 hours, and 38 minutes ago. So that is how you use Find to see if someone is currently on the air, and if they are, you've got a good chance of getting a message to them, especially if they were seen within, like, say, the last 3, 4, 5 minutes. You know that they're probably still on the air, and they're within range of a digipeater. Now let's look at that if we try it with -7. So this time I'm going to send it K8MRD-7, and again we're sending that to the Find bot, and we'll see how long it's been since Mike has had his HT on the air. And as you can clearly see, it's been 58 days, 21 hours, and 30 minutes ago. So he's not active very often with his HT, but he's pretty active anytime he gets in his mobile. So you guys go out there, help me harass Mike a little bit. Let's look him up using the Find command, and when you see him online, let's send him a message. Just so we can prove old Mike wrong yet again about APRS's usefulness, because you'll be able to get a text message to him without even knowing his phone number. So Mike, go ahead and just contact my cousin Vinny again and tell him that this is absolute trash. Oh, by the way, that little part about stealing your image, well, if you or your pretend attorney read the copyright code, you would know that what I did is called a derivative work. Oh, and by the way, Mike, I've got like 300 new stickers to hand out while we're at Dayton and in Huntsville this year. And if you don't see me at one of those two, you can also get a sticker on the website, km4ack.com. If you found today's information entertaining, be sure to give us a thumbs up before you head off. We will see you guys on the next one. Until then, 7-3.